students, welcome to the series of Class 12 CBSE Computer Science with Python in TechBox. In our previous video, I have taught you how to solve the questions under the sample question paper in section A, question number 1, 2 and 3. Today in this video, we are going to solve the remaining questions under the section A. Okay, before going to read the questions, the remaining questions, let us read this general instructions. Okay, see here, please check this question paper which contains 35 questions, and this paper has been divided into 4 sections. So they have mistakenly given here it as a 4 sections. It is not 4, it is actually 5 sections, which is A, B, C, D and E. And this section A consists of 18 questions, which is 1 to 18, and each carries 1 marks. Okay, let us move on to the questions line by line under the section A. So far we have completed question number 1 and 2, and for question number 3, in the previous video I have said you to refer the description link and the previous videos link for the operator precedence video. Okay, please go and watch the video. Question number 4 under the sample question paper. Let us start that. Select the correct output of the code. So see here, they have initialized the string. Okay, they have initialized the string Python is fun in the variable s, and after that they have been splitting by using the split function and storing that data in L. When applying the split function on this s variable will lead to the splitting of the string into values, right? So what is the value of L now? So the L has been split out now by using the split function. So the now L contains Python, comma, is, comma, fun. So it will be stored in the form of list here. Okay, so next we should index it. Okay, let us index this Python. So this is 0 and this is 1 and this is 2, right? So now the next statement is s underscore new is equal to dash dot join. So they have used the join function. So why this join function is used? You should join this given symbol here. So the given symbol here, it is dash. Okay, somewhat like a hyphen. So you should join according to the statement which is given here. So see the statement further. L of 0 dot upper. So this upper function will make the small letters into capital letters, right? So L of 0 is Python. So now we are going to convert this Python into capital letters. Python, Python. Next is L of 1. This is your L of 1. You should write as it is because they have not given any functions under that. Then L of 2 dot capitalize. So this capitalize function will make the first letter capitalized. Okay, L of 2 will be getting, first letter will be getting capitalized. All the remainings are the same as which is given there. Now you should join this hyphen in between. So that's it. So what is your answer? So you should print this s underscore new. So now your s underscore new will be containing these characters, these statements: Python in capital, hyphen, is, hyphen, fun. Okay, so see the options which is right. So Python in capital, hyphen, is, hyphen, fun, which is having F as capital. So your option B is the right answer. So let us move on to the next question. In MySQL database, if a table alpha has the degree 5 and the cardinality 3, and the another table beta which has the degree 3 and the cardinality 5. So what will be the degree and cardinality of the Cartesian product alpha and beta? So they have given the options also. So you should pick the correct options under this and you should write the correct answer. So let us work upon it. So they have given the degree and cardinality. Okay, let me write it here. Degree. So D for degree and C for the cardinality. Okay, so now I'm going to write alpha and beta. So let me write it near. So alpha and beta. So for alpha, the degree which is given here, it is 5. So I'm writing 5 here. And for cardinality for alpha, which is 3, I'm writing 3 here. And then for beta, so the given degree is 3. So I'm writing it here under the beta. And cardinality which is given is 5. So I'm writing it under the cardinality section. So now we are going to calculate how to calculate the degree and the cardinality. So did you remember how to calculate the degrees and cardinalities? So for the degree means what? Degree means columns. So total number of columns is called as a degree, and total number of rows is called as a cardinalities. Okay. So whenever we are making the Cartesian product, we are multiplying both the tables. So whenever we are making the multiplying two tables, the degree will be getting added and the rows will be getting multiplied. That means the degree will be getting added. Okay, you should do the addition operation in this degree part, and for this cardinality part you should do the multiplication operator. Okay, you should do the multiplication operation. So which is 5 plus 3, which is 8, and 3 5s are 15. So your answer will be 8, 15. Understand? So you should think practically. So whenever we are making the Cartesian product in our database, so what will happen? So the degrees will be getting added. Degrees means what? The columns. So the columns will be added one after the other. And the cardinality. The cardinality means what? It is the rows. So the rows will be multiplied. Suppose if the column A has 3 rows and if the column B has 2 rows, then what is the cardinality of the Cartesian product? 3 2s are 6. So likewise you should think practically and you should attend these type of questions. So these are very easy questions. So let us move on to the question number 6. Ria wants to transfer pictures from her mobile phone to her laptop. She uses Bluetooth technology to connect two devices. Which type of network will be formed in this case? So whenever it is coming to the Bluetooth technology, it is coming under the PAN network. Okay, the PAN means what? It is a personal area network. Okay, personal area network. Sometimes they will be asking you the expansion of PAN, MAN, WAN and LAN. So you should prepare for this. Not only these, all the other terms, abbreviations under the computer networking is very important. You should be studying all those abbreviations. Okay. So the next question. 7th question. Which of the following will delete key value pair of key red from the dictionary D1? So what is the name of the dictionary here? It is D1. So to delete any key from the dictionary, you should use the del. Okay, you should write del. After that, you should name the dictionary. So the name of the dictionary, which is D1. After that, you should write the keys which you should delete. Okay. So first one is wrong. So your option is the second one, del D1 of red. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 8. Consider the statements given below and then choose the correct output from the given options. So they have given two statements which is coming under the slicing operations, right? So they have been initialized a string called #G20 space presidency in pride variable. Okay, they are asking you to print the slicing of -2 colon 2 colon -2. So the starting value which is -2. The starting value is -2. Okay, this is your starting value. You should start from -2 and your stop value is 2. Okay, this is your stop value and the step value is -2. So now indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And it should start with -2, right? So you should make the negative indexing also. Let me enlarge it. So -1, -2, -3 and -4. So let me stop here. So -2 here. So you should start with C. So -2, which is having C as the value. So you should start with C. Okay. So from C, you should move -2 times step value, which is -1, -2. Again -1, -2, which is E. Again -1, -2, which is I. -1, -2, -1, -2, -1 and -2. So you should stop with the 2, right? 0, 1 and 2. So at 2 we are having 2, but you should not include that 2. So before 2 it should stop, which is 0. So let me write the answer. So it should start with small c, right? So just write C, E, I, E, P and what? 0. So what is your option? So the option number B is your right answer. Think and write the correct answer. Whatever it is easy only. So you can write the correct answer.